Hi, Stephanie here with High Vibes MKE. And this morning I woke up with this really strong urge to clear, cleanse, and seal my aura. And as soon as I got done doing it, I went and recorded it just on my phone. So I'm sorry if the recording is a little, I don't want to say unsavory, but not too hearing satisfaction. But I felt it really needed to get out there. And so I just did it right away. So without further ado, I bring you the cord cutting and energetic sealing with Archangel Michael and Archangel Metatron. I call upon Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael, Archangel Michael. I would be honored and ask that you cut with your flaming sword from my energetic field any cords, attachments leading to any lower vibrational person, place, thing, event, sending it back with healing. Cutting away what is not mine, clearing any webs with the flame of your sword. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Archangel Metatron, Archangel Metatron, Archangel Metatron. I ask that you clear from my auric field any debris, anything that I picked up from the collective, anything that is not mine, any watchers, trackers, spies, any light weapons, remove them from my field, dissolving them into light. Clearing anything that has been played out that no longer needs to be in my field. With your help and Archangel Michael's help, I call back all of my energy from all time, space, dimensions. And I ask that it is healed as it is returned. Calling back all fragments from all time, space, dimension. Healing it as it returns. Activating the good karma, activating whether it's played out or about to, bringing that farther up into the field, up into awareness. And I ask Archangel Metatron that you fill my aura with beautiful rainbow light, closing any seals, holes, tears, rips. Strengthening the field around the body. A beautiful glowing egg shape is now rippling rainbow light. I set the intention that my aura is like rubber. I am rubber, I am rubber, I am rubber. Anything that is not true, anything that is not mine, anything that is not kind, anything that is not loving, anything that is not healing cannot enter my space. I only allow in the highest, the truest, and unconditional love into my field. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Thank you, Archangel Metatron.